Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to read CSV file in R Studio. So let's get started. So first and the foremost thing, what you have to do, you have to check in which directory you are working by using getwd. That means get working directory. To know your working directory, you should write get working directory in the console so that it is going to show you the path. And the file which we are going to read, that means the CSV file which you are going to read, it should be there after documents. That means in this particular folder, in the folder by the name of document, that file should be present there. So our file is already there. Now let's start. How to read a CSV file in R Studio. First you have to write read.csv. Now you have to write the name of the file with extension .csv. So our file name is student underscore grades, and after that we have to use .csv here. Now selecting this, you can simply press Ctrl plus enter and you can see that in the console it is showing the entire file, that means entire columns of that particular file. Or we can also do one thing, we can give the name of this file, let us say data. Now use Ctrl plus enter by selecting the entire row here. Now what it is going to do, it is going to save this CSV file in this variable, that is data. Now we can easily see or check what is there in this data. If you would like to check the first few rows of this particular Excel file, we can use head function and write data. So let's check what it is going to show us. See, in the console panel, it is showing us the first 6 rows here, and it is showing the headings of all the columns, that is a student underscore ID, then mathematics, then science, English, history, geography. So these are the numbers obtained by different students by these IDs, that is student underscore ID is basically the name representation of any particular students in the class. Also, if you would like to check the last few columns of this particular data, then we can use tail function, tail data. Simply use this, Ctrl plus enter. Now we can easily check in the console panel, it is showing us the last few rows, that is 95 to 100 with the student ID and how much marks they obtained here. Now if you would like to check the mean of any particular column, let us assume that we need to check the mean marks obtained by a student in mathematics, then we have to do mean, then after that write data, then write dollar symbol here. Then it is going to show you few options of which column would you like to find the mean. So let us say that we have to find the mean of the math column, that means the mean of the marks obtained in mathematics by students. So let's use Ctrl plus enter here. Here we can see that the mean, that is the average marks obtained by the students in mathematics, is 74.924. Similarly, we can also find the mean of other subjects. Let us say we have to find the mean of science, then we will write mean data dollar science here. Ctrl plus enter here. We can see that the average score, average marks obtained by the students in science subject is 72.257. So I hope you must have enjoyed this video and learned how to read a CSV file in R Programming and in R Studio. In our next few videos, we are going to learn more on these subjects. Till then, goodbye and take care.